Everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to keep on going. I need to be focused.
Well, those are easy to open. I'm not good at opening them. What is it? Oh, it's the bunny. Head's turned. The bunny one is so cute. I love the colors. I like the little hands sticking out. Only a couple left. Again, I'm still hoping for that panda. If not, a secret would be good, or a Robbie. Something pink. Oh, it's so cute. I love the panda. Please. Okay, I hope it's a secret. Okay. It's the elephant. No secret, but that's okay. Oh my god, it's like a pumpkin looking elephant. It's cute. Comment down below which one was your favorite and make sure to follow for more videos. Bye!